Cannon Beach's reputation as one of the top art towns in America isn't only about the city's many world-class art galleries. This charming coastal town boasts a vibrant display of public art throughout the city. Immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of Cannon Beach as we explore 9 captivating public art installations on a self-guided walking tour. Our first stop is the Welcome Pole, a magnificent wooden sculpture that pays homage to the original Clatsop Nehalem tribe who once inhabited this land. Crafted by Native American artist Guy Capolman, this welcome pole invites us to connect with the rich history and heritage of the area. As we stroll along the sidewalk, we encounter an intriguing installation known as the Whale Ribs. Designed by the talented Nick Thomas Design Studio, these weather-rusted metal ribs, adorned with circular glass insets, create an enchanting play of light and shadows. A shimmering stainless steel construction captures our attention next. Created by artist Sharon Warman Agner, the Wave offers a modern interpretation of ocean waves, subtly blending the colors to evoke the ever-changing nature of the sea. Continuing our journey, we arrive at a small ocean view park, housing a remarkable bronze whale sculpture. This majestic artwork commemorates the historic visit of Lewis and Clark's Corps of Discovery in 1806 as they searched for a beached whale. Our eyes are drawn to a vibrant cut steel bench in bright orange hues. Created by artist Alice A. Looney, Contact portrays 2 figures reaching towards each other, symbolizing connection and unity in a rapidly changing world. Inspired by the annual visit of tufted puffins to Haystack Rock, Northwest sculptor Georgia Gerber crafted a delightful pair of bronze nuzzling tufted puffins. These charming sculptures remind us of the beauty of nature and the harmony it brings. A powerful installation called the Salmon Journey captivates us next. Collaboratively created by Lillian Pitt and Aaron Lovett, this artwork honors the incredible annual journey of salmon as they return to their birthplace. Through intricate details, it celebrates the resilience and interconnectedness of nature. Our next encounter takes us to the Fisherman's Dance, a captivating sculpture by artist Steve Jensen. Drawing inspiration from Aboriginal forms, this artwork seamlessly combines contemporary art with ancient carving traditions. Its presence harmoniously blends with the surrounding environment, paying tribute to the region's fishing heritage. Prepare to be charmed by A Delicate Balance, a whimsical and colorful sculpture by Wayne Chaber. This delightful artwork features a precarious stack of chickens and eggs, symbolizing the delicate equilibrium of life. Its vibrant colors and playful composition bring a sense of joy and wonder to those who encounter it. We hope you've been inspired by the creativity and beauty that grace this enchanting town. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a nature lover, or simply seeking to immerse yourself in a captivating atmosphere, Cannon Beach offers a remarkable experience for all. Cannon Beach. There is magic here.